Yeah, so
that's how it all started and how it's going.
This is cooking in Ciudad de Mexico.
So yeah, I mean the food in Mexico is incredible, and I don't just mean the like Mexican food. I mean like here I find people are very adamant about the quality. Like when I say the food is good, I mean obviously Mexican food is delicious, but the quality of products that you're getting is so good, and that's like one of the reasons I'm really like exploring Mexico as a place to eat, a place to live, you know. So, because like in North America, well, no, sorry, in Canada and the U.S., there's a different culture around what does it mean to have good food, and a lot of times they're just talking about flavor. They're not actually talking about the quality of the products. I think the UK kind of has the same.
The UK is slowly changing.
Ah, that's good.
Like more farm to table.
Well, I don't know. They try to make things, I'm kind of guilty of it right now, like try to make things like resemble a dish that had meat in it. But again, it's hard to make something out of nothing. Okay, here's our first course. It's ready and we're all gonna eat it together and see how delicious it is. I would say that this is going to be difficult to eat with a fork and knife, so it would be like lift, but also don't eat that.
Yeah, no, tosta eating is.
Should we take a bite first?
Yeah, take a bite first.
That's a good question, yeah. This is fun.
Oh, but I can taste the smokiness of the smoked beets.
Oh yeah, they're corn husk smoked.
Oh, what, sorry?
Corn husk smoked beets.
Yeah.
Wow, Morgan, I'm obsessed.
Wow. Oh my god. That's so good. Delicious. Yeah.
Wow. The cake. Everything. It was delicious.
Excellent.
Yeah, Morgan, it was so good. The smokiness of it.
Yeah, good. Yes, please. Oh, I'm so happy. I woke up this morning like I had a different menu planned. I was gonna go more Italian, even though I didn't really train in Italian food. I just love to like growing up and like where I'm from. And I've actually noticed here in a lot of places, like at least in Roma, of course, but in Canada as well, like, there's a lot of Italian restaurants or like a lot of Italian influence.
Yeah, a lot.
Yeah.
Actually.
So that's what I kind of grew up cooking, and I was really influenced by Jamie Oliver. I'm like from Canada, so we have this like, you know, UK, Canada culture.
The Commonwealth.
The Commonwealth.
And the
culture.
UK loves Italian food.
Yeah.
I've eaten the best Italian food I've eaten is probably in London.
Yeah, I bet.
You know, like at a certain level, not like your local stuff, but like, you know, fine dining.
Yeah, so I was gonna go Italian, and then I thought this morning I woke up and I was like, no, I'm gonna do like fusion between like what I used to cook at Aquavit and kind of Mexican food. So that's just concept. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I actually might start plating up the next dish.
Yeah.
Good way. At some point you're like, will I start? No. Although I did not do that. Like this.
Bro, if I could do that.
Oh, you're not to travel. Like, everything.
Oh my god. are so good.
You were sitting asleep today.
And then she noticed that I was taking food, and so she would try to get me to come over on Wednesday, whatever day. I bought extra yogurt. I bought, like, I went to Costco. I had Do you want salad? Yeah. I didn't go grocery shopping for a while. I was like, okay, gonna cross that off my budget. And then we have groceries. Maybe just like a few little things.
Speaking of budget, I used to, actually, I stopped eating meat at university because I went to the UK. My family would always buy this meat from the butcher, and very expensive. So new meat was expensive. So I go to the UK, and the supermarket selling this chicken diet for 99p, you know, like less than $1. And I was like, what's this? And I couldn't afford the real meat on my budget. So once I remember, I didn't have much. Oh, what a great pairing! I was like, oh, okay.
Oh, that's when you knew you got to
When I
to be creative around the kitchen.
Oh my god. Yeah. Being on a budget is a whole different funny experience. It's so funny. And I never like had to like yeah. But I never like some friends telling me like, yeah, I spent my money like partying for this month and I'm just eating cheese. Or like, I have to go on the chicken.
Yeah. No. So what's funny about it? A bit of my notes. Like I actually, not that I was struggling with money, thankfully, but I'm an entrepreneur now, so I think I have like a very weird mentality. But no, it's weird. Like that's not a great background, not so background for me. Like, will I not eat because
What is that? Squash. This is our roasted butternut squash. I've got of red lentils.
There's also like different standards of what you're willing to eat.
Yeah.
Like some people will just eat like ramen from the
Oh, yeah.
bag, you know, like.
But again, I think, yeah, it's not food, but then we also forget that, especially in the US, I think, that a lot of people also lie when they don't have money, or they don't have access. But even in Mexico, there's some parts of Mexico that's on also.
Yeah.
You don't have supermarkets, you don't have vegetables.
You can go shop at the ranches, no?
There's some parts of Mexico that it's rural, but it's like, they don't have access to vegetables. Like just potatoes. Yeah, they're poor.
This is our cucumbers, very lightly marinated,
More expensive.
and parsley.
But they only have access to what? Rice, potato, and then beans. There's no vegetables.
Is it torn
And
up?
so that's why they buy
I think so.
Coke. Because
Yeah,
water
the
is
left side, I don't know what happened to it,
and
but
packaged food, because that's what's cheap. And that's like, we shall not forget that.
No.
Because
So many people live that way.
yeah,
It's the only option.
yeah. I mean, so yeah, packaged food in the end is solves like a very practical problem, which is
Yeah, but what were they eating before that?
hey everyone! Our main course is inspired by 3 ingredients that unify us all, because we are all, well, you're kind of from London, but now you're here. So it's inspired by the 3 sisters, which is an indigenous planting ancient knowledge. And so this is lentils with butternut squash and cucumber, like a light pickled cucumber, and creamed corn. So corned beans and squash.
Wow.
And I thought we would share it family style because it's really beautiful to pass a plate around the table. So I can start one going this way, and I'll start one going this way. And the corn is also inspired by elotes, esquites, yeah, yeah.
Nice.
So yeah.
Let's see.
Oh yeah,
Should I
please,
do-
please, please,
You,
thank you.
please. What is it?
Wow, Morgan, it's so colorful.
It's amazing. Is it good for you?
Yes, thank you so much. Okay, smile everyone. Oh, great.
Yay! Gracias.
Okay, bon appetito, everybody.
Let's bring this closer so people.
I hope it works.
I was there, October, November, December 2013. Oh my God, and do you remember the things that they?
Entonces sí podemos literalmente cocinando en el arte.
Weird.
I made tea that warmed everyone up. But you're
So I don't know if people want more eventually, but. Okay, wow, this was actually a lot more than I thought, but you know what? I deserve it. Cheers to Cheers to making it work. Hey, watch this.
Other. Yeah. You want to tell us what happened?
Oh yeah.
Why are you here?
That's a good idea. So we blew the breaker in the kitchen, and we can't fix it tonight. So we've got this awesome hot plate, and I'm making these potato roasty for dessert, potato and apple roasty for dessert, right here next to this beautiful art that I really, really hope I don't splash with food. Not for the faint of heart. This should have worked.
Wait, I'm thinking have both plugged in at the same time.
That's what I was thinking.
Do you want to try it over here? No podemos conectarlo.
Someone give me a spoon.
Here we have esta. This one.
Oh wait, I have one. Okay.
Sí, aquí tenía una.
Oh, it's okay. Another one. This one. I'll use this one.
Okay.
Thanks, Anna. Right. I just need lights to
Say
do
one
this.
more.
One more light?
Oh, so that we can see what's happening.
This is what, this is the
Oh
one.
yeah, that's the one.
Clearly.
Thank you. It's teamwork.
Over there and shine.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Is this the only bottle?
There's another. No, there's another.
Academy?
I think everyone will get 2. 1, 2, 3. This is 6 people.
What is that, Morgan?
Sing it.
This is a potato roasty with apples. This is 7 people. This is 8 people.
I'm still tired from my week, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
I'm a little tired.
You didn't hear what I just said? Oh, because of the wine.
This is sweet avocado cream with cinnamon. This is gonna end up looking kind of ugly, but it's gonna taste really good. I think. We'll see. Maybe it'll look nice.
Have no wine, so.
I have a little bit. Clank, clank, clank. I came with a little
Yeah, I gotta go. Are we recording?
No, we're recording. You have to stay.
We could have collaborated on this design right here
We could have.
next time.
Oh, I'm excited.
This is plum puree. I think I'm just gonna hide the hide the weirdness of the green.
What is crazy weather? That's pig's blood?
Yeah, this is pig's blood. I actually used to make a thing with pig's blood at this place that I used to work at.
Is it Filipino?
No, it was Swedish, and it was like a tiny blood pudding, and it was like really, honestly, super delicious. One of my favorite things I ever made.
I found you.
But you know what?
Found you.
It's like the other philosophy. Like, if you're not vegan, then you better be like wanting to eat blood. You know, like go all the way.
Where I am in the world.
You know what I mean? It's like, yeah, like if you're gonna not be vegan, then you should be willing to eat every part of an animal.
Just a little bit more.
Yeah, have more wine.
I mean, no, I.
These are figs, my favorite.
Evenly, this, whatever this.
You know what? Buy me a drink in New York.
And,
That's gonna be tough. I don't know when the next time I'll be back.
Well then, don't.
You guys should stay. You guys should stay for the show. I'll go to Cabo.
My friend also just had a baby this week.
I mean, it's just, I mean, she had it and. So fresh.
What day?
I've seen it already in the summer.
You have to see it again.
I have to see it again.
What kind of flowers are those?
Chrysanthemum. Voila.
Can you show me? Apple and potato roasty with avocado cream, plum puree, fresh figs, and chrysanthemum.
Beautiful.